Okay, so in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to create an after-hours phone call so you can document the conversation you had with the patient after regular business hours. So after you've picked your patient, here I've selected this female ZZ Anson. You're going to create a new folder, which I've done, and make sure that folder is highlighted for today. And then you're going to pull down and make sure that you can see these icons on the info bar and click on the telephone. That'll pull up your telephone call window, which we're familiar with. And then my suggestion is to click on medical question. I'm having a little bit of lag on the computer here. So this is the window you'll be using. I recommend trying to populate as much of this information as you have to make it easier in the morning for the primary care provider to contact the patient if needed. So we'll do a contact type. We'll say it's an incoming call. We spoke with the patient, and it was after hours. Now when you click this box, the date and time of call is going to open up for you to be able to change. So if you want to document this the following morning or what have you, that's okay as long as you accurately document when the call came in. And we're working on having another box over here that says not only time of call but time call returned or time responded, so that we have both time points. But anyway, if you click here, it'll give you your date window, and then you can cycle through, and it should give you a time window coming up here. And you can document the time. So we'll say it was at 9:30 p.m. Okay. Again, it's normally not this slow. I'm just having some issues with the computer right now. Okay, and then pick maybe the phone number that you returned the call to. And then you can put a concern in here. You can say the patient was calling about allergies, and you can populate duration of symptoms if you want, or you can just free text in what you want here. Okay, and then that's pretty much it. What I go ahead and usually do is then send and close to the patient's primary care provider. If it's you, you can just save and close. So let's just go ahead and save it and close it. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Now we've got a record of an after hours call here, and if you double click on it, it'll pop up the info window that shows all the information that we collected. If you task it to a primary care provider, it'll say who you tasked it to. Give it just a minute here to populate it. Okay, so here's all that information, and just kind of goes over the phone call information for you there. Okay, and so then that's pretty much it. Again, we're going to try and have a box that's separate from the time the page was received to the time it was responded to, because we've agreed that we'll try and answer those pages within a 60-minute window, but preferably faster. And so work on trying to document this with NextGen Mobile, which we'll be testing out. Hopefully this will be made a lot easier, and I'll create another video for that when the time comes. But for now, go ahead and use this to document your phone calls after hours if you would. And if you have any questions, let me know or comment below. Thank you.